Change the color of any video by this amazing AI tool called Runway. In many websites and softwares, it will show only few color combinations, but in this AI tool, you have to give prompt of many colors. You can give various color combinations as prompt with your creativity. So let's dive into a video. At first, open your browser and search runwayml.com. The link is also attached in the description. Click Get Started button on the top corner. You have to sign up to this tool. I am already signed it. This tool not only have the features to change the color of a video, there are many features such as remove background, text to text image, image to image, blur faces, remove noise of the video, etc. But if you want to use these features, then you need to upgrade. I will show you pricing now. This is the pricing. I recommend to upgrade to it because it has so many features at low cost. If you had this tool, you wouldn't need to use another tool to use any of the features in Runway. Most of the features are there in this tool. So I recommend to upgrade it. Now change the color of the video. Click color grade feature. Where it is, this. Now drag and drop your video like this. Now give the color you want. Now type the color you want and click generate. For example, I type pink tint. The video color changes. After that, click export options. Wait for some time. The video is directly exported into your assets. To go assets, click assets option in left corner. You see this video. To download the video, click this button and download option. If you like this video, then click the like button and subscribe to Tech Tea for more tech videos. Comment what kind of video do you want next. See you in the next video. Goodbye.